Guys, assalamualaikum. Kita baru berbuka-buka puasa baleng-baleng. Sini ada Jubis.
Si Brainer juga tuh.
Sini ada. Kok kamu ketawa sih?
Masih ditanya-tanya.
Udah lah. Terus ada Saski.
Kan si Elena. Hah? Elena, lu kenal Elena nggak sih? Ada.
Elena.
Aduh Jun gosip dulu sih.
Ya ketemu temen gosip di sini. Ya nggak cok. Elena,
Aku udah lama.
Salam kenal dari Papua kak.
Sama kenal. Aku terakhir kali ke apa namanya yang di bawah Q-Bill sama Vio.
Iya,
ketemu nggak sih?
Iya,
Vio, laptop.
Bukan, Vio.
Pas sebelum renov
Vio.
kan lo? Betul
Iya.
kan?
Hah?
Sebelum renov kan?
Setelah.
Oh iya.
Setelah.
Kita aku nggak ketemu.
Tapi aku cuma bentar doang.
Kalau dia setelah renov belum pernah main kan?
Udah lama banget, sebelum renov juga
Apa sebelum renov juga masih sempat terakhir main?
What's up, bitches? Makasih Bambang. Lesti passwordnya.
Hidungnya Masya
menurut
Allah.
internet.
Hidungnya.
Lesti passwordnya menurut internet. Karakter gue di DJS.
oh
Menurut internet kayak demi apa Laura berjakun? Masa sih?
Laura is actually a guy.
Adit.
Jadi guys, sebenarnya aku ini trans, nggak bercanda. Nanti ini bakal
Klip.
Itu Jujutsu Kaisen.
Anime.
That's
no, it's not.
Oh, I thought you know,
Solo leveling is so good.
Demon Slayer kan ada
Lagi
season baru.
bukber, iya sudah.
bukber jam segini,
Last
bro.
year.
Aku bukbernya sama Saski, terus mereka nyusul, terus mereka datangnya telat.
It was really-
Akhirnya kita buka bersama. Oh harusnya dong cewek.
The anime I love the most.
Laura
is
puasa.
Hunter bagus.
Hunter
Iya
bagus.
kan? It's my
The manga kayak
favorite.
agak bingung sih. They don't continue on Gon and Killer Slayer as well. They continue on Kurapika's.
Iya, padahal
Sekarang masih suka K-pop, lumayan.
Terus juga I heard that the director or the writer is sick.
Yeah.
That's why
Kayak ada Saskia, emang ada nih. Ya, ini ada Saski, ada orang Taiwan, ada orang Algeria, ada orang Semarang.
Oh, I like him. Look, Jubes.
He's fine.
Harvey dia-
Specter?
No, Harvey Liverpool.
Harvey Elliott.
Frank
Dia kan,
Lampard.
he's my age.
Hah?
He's my age.
He's
Yeah,
so
we're all the
He's good.
same age, right?
He's good.
He's
Yeah, kan? He's good, right?
Anybody that's I know you know your shit only in Liverpool though. The shittiest
Yeah.
team in the world.
Oh my God, it's not. It's so good.
Just cause your boyfriend likes it doesn't mean it's good.
Aku nggak ngerti bola.
Mo Salah, clear.
Right?
Van Dijk, clear.
Yeah, kan? Harvey, clear.
Harvey masih lah.
Luis
masih.
Diaz, okay.
Luis Diaz apa?
Halo. Hai.
Kepencet, Kak.
Iya kepencet juga aku. Caranya gimana ya? Aku nggak tahu cara matiinnya.
Kenapa?
Cara matiinnya gimana ya? Masa dimatiin? Dimatiin.
Mantannya Algaza.
Maaf, kepencet.
Apa, Kak?
Maaf, kepencet.
Iya. Mas Dino like taruh aktif.
Caranya ya. Guys, ada yang tahu cara matiin nggak? Ini nih. Oh ini nih co-hosting. Disconnect from live. Lah, aku yang keluar dong. Nah. Maaf. Ini kepencet nih sini. Rambut aku lepek nggak?
Enggak.
Thank you guys.
That was so bad. Yes, I will do.
If someone ask who your favorite person is, I will consciously answer Saski. So it said that.
That's so
sweet.
Consciously answer. That means they think about it first and then they answer.
Conscious, I thought it's like saying well,
Ya, gue
conscious.
secara sadar.
Secara sadar pilih Saski.
Are you mixed?
Laura
Are you
di
mixed?
Semarang ya? No,
You're not mixed?
no.
You're not even British? Aren't you both
I am
British?
Semarang. Ya, we British gal. Kita
British
cewek
gal.
Jawa.
British
British
Jawa.
Jawa.
Jawir tuh apa ya?
Briwir.
Jawir tuh apa ya?
Jawir tuh kayak Jawa, saying orang Jawa tuh Jawir, tapi I don't really know Jawir aslinya tuh apa. Kalau
Jawa.
Jamet tuh Jawa metal.
Kenapa metal? Kenapa banyak yang kenapa banyak yang bilang Vio Jamet dulu?
Karena Jamet is like nggak tahu.
So, if you wanna see good football, Barcelona.
I don't like any
Jawir tuh
football teams or
Jawa
clubs.
Ireng. Hah? Ada yang komen gitu.
I don't like any football clubs that are not from the UK.
That's so twisted.
I love Jude Bellingham. He's fine.
You know Jude Bellingham's girlfriend hates him.
It's
No,
Indonesian.
No.
Mantannya tuh orang Indonesia.
Jude Bellingham's girlfriend, the whole team wants him to break up with him.
Why?
They don't like her.
How do
Di
you know
samping
this?
Laura
Because
boyfriend kah?
Johanna was in the locker room kemarin.
Johanna Lessard?
Yeah.
She's dating someone from there?
No.
No.
She has a homie there.
Damn!
She's friends with Camavinga's little sister.
That's
Well,
so
I'm
cool.
friends with Darwin Nunez's lips.
That's so sad. Out of everyone.
I just don't know anyone.
Oh, you know, so I never really Juba listen. I never really liked people friends.
Okay.
Have you seen Keith Powers?
No,
Keith
I-
Powers is so hot.
And then?
Michael B. Jordan.
And then
Jude Bellingham. I don't know where.
they're good looking, but they're not my type.
Kraz.
But then I never like I don't know about you. Yeah, I don't know who he is because I don't listen to him. And then I
He's so
was,
fine.
I was looking at the Oscar thingies right last night, and then I kept like pressing on things on TikTok, and then muncullah si pas Will Smith slapped Chris Rock,
Okay.
and then it turns out Jada is still in love with Tupac, and then I found out about Tupac, and I just found out that he died.
You didn't know about it.
I didn't know.
Tupac was dead?
Wait, what
Tupac's
did that
so
have
fine.
to do with anything with you not thinking black?
Laura, aku kan lihat kamu main
Because
sinetron
I
kan baru
find him really
selesai.
attractive.
Who, Tupac?
Yeah.
Tupac just has mad aura, bro.
He's really smart, and he's really loving, and he loves the world, and he's like, don't hate women.
Hari ini kita tuh harusnya
You
ketemu
are-
sama Akila sama Vio, tapi gara-gara aku harus ke Sensi anterin adik aku, jadi
Oh,
nggak
iya.
jadi. Jadi mungkin besok kita
He loves his
besok kamu
mother.
nggak bisa ya datang ke lokasinya Vio sama Cimit. Lusa
Sampai tanggal 6 gak bisa.
sampai tanggal 6.
Abis tanggal 6 bisa.
Tanggal 7 aku ada itu lagi kerjaan.
Ya pokoknya sebelum tanggal abis tanggal 6 sebelum tanggal 13.
Tanggal 9 atau 10 kali ya. Aku juga tanggal 13 ada kerjaan. Tanggal 7 sama tanggal 13.
Lawan aku nembak kemarin belum dijawab.
Laura aku nembak. Thank you Alaska. Laura speak English please. We, nigga chorong we.
What'd you call me?
What did you say?
Nigga chorong we.
What?
What'd you call me?
No, it's not that. Itu tadi yang di luar siapa ya? Kayak he looks familiar. Yang di wartawan, yang banyak wartawan itu.
I don't know. I know the wartawan though. I was like, oops.
Aku nggak lihat wartawannya sih. Jadi pas kita keluar tuh ada orang botak pakai kacamata yang lagi di interview gitu. Kayak dia itu deh.
Enggak, bukan korupsi.
Lawyer nggak sih? Oh, lawyernya Fadel.
Emang iya ini tuh.
Nggak tahu deh.
Aku nggak ngikutin.
Laura Popo, Siroyo. Siroyo. Don't do that. Popo, Siroyo. Rasman katanya. Saski pegang live dong nih.
They don't like you.
Yeah, they don't like me. Bye. Bye.
Hello friends.
banget. Apa tuh namanya?
Minum es teh manis.
Sour Sally. Kalian prefer sour Sally yang putih atau yang hitam?
Putih.
Putih so good. Right? It's very nice.
Saskia lagi apa? Lagi main bersama teman-teman karena aku keluar setahun sekali. Tadinya buka puasa sama Laura, tapi aku udah janjian sama Juba. Terus dia telat. With Royce, cause Royce baru balik dari Taiwan.
Razi.
Gak puasa, Kak kan udah buka. Tapi aku hari ini gak puasa, aku lagi datang bulan. Laura puasa, Juba puasa. Royce non.
Non puasa.
Non Muslim. Laura dan Saski nggak kangen. Kita tadi baru chatan di grup. Terus kita kayak, ayo kapan ketemu. Terus mereka ngajak ke lokasi. Tapi hari ini, tadi aku habis dari Bintaro. Terus, aduh, aku mikir kayak kalau misalnya kan kalau bulan puasa biasanya kalau pulang kerja tuh macet banget kan, karena orang pengen buka di rumah dan lain-lain. Terus aku mikir kayak, aduh, pasti macet. Terus habis itu kita janjian tapi habis setengah 6. Akila syuting guys.
You guys, but like
Laura oplas ini katanya. Laura nggak pernah oplas guys. Laura tuh cantik alami dari brojol. Udah kayak masya Allah.
hidung gak asli. I don't know, I haven't met someone that I actually like. Not one else. Yeah, that's why I'm not looking for one.
Ada Rea, ada yang mention Rea guys. Siapa yang udah nonton Leiden?
I thought Rhea was minor joke.
Iya, tapi beda project. My series ada di Maxstream. Nama peran aku Rea.
Oh begitu.
Ya. Jokes itu karena di saking cantiknya dia kan, jadinya jokes kayak Laura oplas karena dia cantik. Benar nggak? Terus kayak habis kasih dia, iya, kok tahu? Oh, karena aku repost.
I'm like, guys,
Terus kita nonton di top podcast udah. Kamu tau nggak? Aku tuh taunya di mana? Jadi aku tuh nggak tahu kalau Dito tuh ngomong kayak gitu. Dia bilang dia podcast waktu itu kayak beberapa bulan yang lalu. Tapi aku nggak tahu dia benar-benar ngomongin apa. Terus habis itu tadi pas lagi chatan sama Vio, Akila, Laura, tiba-tiba si Vio bagiin link TikTok itu kan. Terus kayak pas aku pencet, dia lagi ngomong kayak gitu. Terus aku salting kayak gitu loh. Kayak oh my god. Dito sarangnya. Kayak coba gitu. Jangan kayak
since then, like,
kayak alat mulutnya harus kayak gitu. You don't understand, you don't get kayak,
kurang kyo.
I just I was so naive, I gave him. But then after I was with it, I was like a cage, you know, so like I don't get that hurt.
Wah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Meski live TikTok juga dong. Aku nggak tahu caranya gimana. Dan aku kira kayak waktu itu kalau belum 18 nggak boleh live TikTok. Terus aku sampai sekarang tuh nggak ngerasa kayak aku udah 18. Aku suka lupa banget kalau aku tuh sekarang udah 18. Aku berasa aku masih 17 tahun. Dia tau ngechat. Di ke puncak dong Saski, ketemu Dito sama Zi. Mau banget, tapi masalahnya Dito lagi hari ini lagi libur. Dia lagi sakit, lagi istirahat di rumah. Laura puasa. Lauranya mana? Itu di situ dia ngasih ke aku tiba-tiba, aku nggak tahu why. I don't know why. Kalian masih di Bali Kak? Enggak. Kalian udah pindah ke Malang. Tapi kemarin sempat ke Jakarta. Kalian mau balik ke Laura nggak?
Capek Saski ngomongnya.
Kind of. Saski lagi main sama siapa aja? Sama Ada aku, ada Royce, ada Laura, ada Juba. Pada mau Laura, they want you back. They don't like me anymore.
Apa sih? Baperan.
Kagak ada yang baperan puasa.
Ya. Aku menanda. Kaki aku kayak di warung. Hai guys. Main ke lokasi syuting Akhila. Apa ini? Lucu banget. Jadi kalau Saski sempat nanti aku bakal ke lokasi syuting. Saya lokasi syutingnya tuh deket banget tuh sama rumah aku.
Iya, masalahnya tadi aku dari Bintaro jauh.
Ya aku cuma
Rumah aku juga dekat.
aku cuma 10-11 menit ke lokasi mereka. Coba nyanyi top apa itu top ya top ya top wadalah ya ulanat koya talis eneza. Laura deket kamu siapa? Wah, Cubis dan Royce.
Keep on having the job.
Royce kayak sekarang jadi introvert deh. You know?
I don't know.
No, I want to say something, but then after we're on live.
Bye guys.
Enggak,
Bizu.
jangan.
Bizu.
How much?
Bizu.
Tapi benar kan kalau misalnya football itu gedenya di Inggris?
Iya, I think so.
Enggak, all over the world.
Iyalah.
Brazil,
You just know that the Premier League is the most popular,
Spain.
but it's not.
Tapi kan emang fans terbanyak football itu Inggris, right? And most of their clubs are very very famous. Most of their clubs are Arsenal.
Thank you,
Chelsea,
really need
Liverpool, M City, MU.
Laura
Bridgestone.
ajarin
Because
Saski.
everyone plays
No,
in
no,
the
no, no.
Premier
It's
League.
not that. It's because people like you,
People like me.
Lucu
What do you
banget.
mean?
sabar, yang nggak main sama nggak beneran pay attention to ball.
Tobi top apa itu?
Apa?
Prince nggak ikut. Enggak.
Why did you say people like me?
Because
Kalau
you don't
ngomong
play.
Inggris.
Or
Want me
like,
to speak in English? I'm
Kamu
speaking
fans.
English.
Ini
Thank you,
without-
Gerhana
this would
Toto.
never happen. You would never have thought about football, right?
Ini aduh,
True.
ini ada apa
Iya.
sih?
But it's a good thing Dito introduce me to football.
Iya. No, my point is Premier League paling basic.
Tunjukin lagi kamu. Liverpool.
Iya.
Mo Salah.
Here, if I say basketball, you would
NBA.
just.
Indonesia.
You know Michael Jordan, right?
Yes.
Indonesia, I love you Indonesia.
Steph Curry.
Steph Curry is so fine.
They're just the most popular. But if you know actual basketball, like he does, he'll know all these other shit, blah blah blah. Jadi Premier League is that. But the most competitive itu the Italian League.
Oh iya.
The Italian League paling dulu ya.
Wow.
Like back then.
Laura
my dad's
kangen,
era,
aku kangen
the Italian
juga.
League was the
Tahu
craziest.
munduran.
Premier League is the most
Kasih
popular.
Saski lucu banget dia
Yes.
baca komen dia lucu emang.
They're also very racist.
Tapi dia nggak mau.
Premier League.
Laura bilang nggak tahu bola.
You
Emang
know
nggak tahu
Rashford?
bola.
This guy,
Aku nggak tahu
black.
bola. Aku nggak tahu tentang
Manchester
mobil-mobilan,
United,
motor-motoran.
penalty.
Aku nggak tahu
And he
tentang
missed.
basket.
And
Basket
everybody told him
kayaknya
to
tahu
kill
dikit
himself.
sih. Jerawat kita sama
And like
dia
it was
lagi.
so bad to the point where he like got my
Face wash,
Rashford doesn't-
Scarlet
No. This was like
Cloud
for a bit.
Foam ya kalau nggak salah. Aku yang pakai yang buat jerawat, yang buat acne,
From Liverpool.
yang warna
I don't know what's it called. Tapi mereka berantem
hijau.
karena si lawan ininya itu kayak selebrasi di depan fansnya.
Wow,
Terus kayak
ini kapan minta sama
fansnya
Akila?
gitu.
Mungkin
And then
lusa.
Virgil
Virgil.
went up to
Nih,
him
kalau
and
ketemu
he was
aku
like,
live deh.
Don't do that to my fan. Then they got into it.
Kita hari ini maunya samperin mereka, tapi
You should have
nggak
seen
jadi.
Netherlands versus Argentina.
SLAV,
We saw.
Slav.
It was so
France
pain, man.
and Argentina together, right?
Huh?
Piala Dunia kan kita nonton bareng kan?
Oh yeah, no, but the Argentina versus Netherlands we didn't watch together. Why?
Bro, it was so pain,
Itu gila
man. It
banget,
was so pain.
crazy, bro. Cause total 13 yellow cards. the game was already ended, but the referee
Nggak
still had to
ngerti
give
ngomongin
cards
apa.
because it was so bad. Everybody fought.
I was for Netherlands. And I
Uli,
lost.
bener ya live nanti.
Messi?
Iya,
Messi
nanti aku
dimegang.
live, nanti aku live. Kita
Virgil
sih planningnya
langsung.
pengen buka bareng-bareng.
Dia gede
He
banget.
was
Bro.
with Netherlands.
Virgil is from
Matanya cakep,
Netherlands.
makasih.
And then I was for France and I lost.
He ran to the guy, body mental orangnya.
Jangan galau-galau. Aku
kemarin yang
anti
pas
galau.
the match tadi yang aku ceritain yang Liverpool and
Hidup aku happy. Join AGZ.
the referee
Bekasi banjir masa sih?
Ya.
Wasit.
Bukan BOVO. Aku
gamenya udah selesai.
Wes mangan
masih
sushi,
main
salmon.
itu lawannya gol.
Oh,
Abis itu pas gamenya udah selesai, siapa pelatihnya Liverpool sekarang yang botak?
I forgot his name.
Itulah pokoknya.
Ah,
Kasih kartu merah.
guys like dong,
Padahal udah
di
selesai.
like dong sampai 100.000. Aku pengen aja.
Because
He just came
Like-
up
like
to him and he was
tap,
just
tap,
like,
tap, tap,
karena
tap,
the
tap,
wasit
tap, tap.
was so unfair. Abis itu he shook his hand and abis itu si wasitnya langsung marah keluarin red card.
iya, emang anjing bro. It's called corruption. Corruption,
naik,
more
tap,
money,
tap, 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 tap.
or he, the referee itself might have
Kalau
been
treatment di mana?
a
Aku
fan
suka
of the other
treatment di
team.
Dharma Pro.
Boleh kayak gitu.
Bukan boleh, tapi you
Tapi
can't do-
ada.
Ada.
Tapi kalau aku
Nggak-
facial aku jarang banget
Nothing is,
soalnya aku nggak bisa
nothing is
facial.
ever fair.
Makasih tap 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 tap.
You know?
Tap, 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 tap.
Tapi it's so fun though when they start fighting.
It's so fun when a football match mereka berantem.
Oh begitu.
Hah?
Oh begitu.
It's so fun when they
Thank
start
you
fighting.
Kevin.
Wah gila, Sa, you should great.
Kamu ngikutin Oscar nggak sih?
Oscars.
This year's Oscars.
I saw the guy kiss a girl in front of his wife.
Yeah, but that's not his wife. That's Adrian Brody. You know, he won.
Ini ngomongin apa
Pas
sih?
2003 he won.
Yeah.
Itu he won again. Abis itu,
Saski pakai facial wash apa?
abis itu,
Rahasia katanya.
I'm gatekeeping it.
Terus?
Terus abis itu, he gave a 5-minute long speech.
Oh gak jadi ke Bali.
Iya.
Aku tidak jadi soalnya
Kayak,
aku
kan lagunya
tidak
udah mulai
diizinin
dibikin,
sama
terus yang
nyokap.
kayak disuruh selesai.
Sebenarnya boleh-boleh aja
Terus
sih.
he was like, no,
Tapi-
don't do that, don't do that. I've been here before. Stop the music, and everyone's hating on him.
Nggak tahu deh.
Because I feel like he didn't deserve it. Because in his movie where he won, The Brutalist.
Kalau di Dharma waktu
Dia
itu
itu
berapa
kan
harganya?
ceritanya
Aku
jadi orang.
endorse, tapi aku cocok di sana,
Enggak
makanya
deh.
aku selalu balik ke sana.
Terus accentnya dia dibagusin pakai AI, which is basically cheating. Right?
Oh.
So a lot of people think that he doesn't deserve the Oscar.
Well, yeah.
And lawannya dia itu Sebastian Stan, jadi Donald Trump. And
Ratu apa kabar?
Timothy Chalamet jadi Bob Dylan. And dua-duanya like Indian character for so long, 5 years, 6 years. You have to see Sebastian Stan jadi Donald Trump. Mirip banget coy.
Yeah.
You know he cried. He didn't win, terus he cried.
Yaudah deh, kayak aku mau end live deh.
Bye bye.
Kamu terakhir kali ketemu Ratu kapan?
Promo muka.
Oh iya, kalian bareng.
What happened with Cillian Murphy? Why is everybody like?
Because after he won the Oscars last year, he just like vanished. Because he's just like that. He doesn't really like attention. So he was here this year buat bacain nominasi buat Adrian Brody yang dia menang. And then Adrian Brody gave a 5-minute speech and he was just there like, I wanna go home gitu loh mukanya.
Oh lagi pada nontonin
Me and my
Oscars.
boyfriend, we're both obsessing over the Oscars.
Who's Amelia Perez? Is it a movie?
Amelia Perez is a movie, and they,
They
won
won?
best. Wait, they won best. Apa namanya best
Best.
song or whatever.
I thought Wicked was gonna win.
I know, me too. But
I
then
didn't-
a
I
lot of
didn't-
people, yeah.
I didn't watch.
Tapi harusnya mereka menang best song,
Ah.
best singing. Soalnya Amelia Perez, everybody thought that they don't deserve to win.
How about Anora?
Jadi,
Kalau Anora,
I think it's nice.
aku nggak nonton Anora.
Mirip banget kan? This is Sebastian.
Oke guys, jadi aku mau end live karena nggak apa-apa, aku pengen end aja. Thank you everyone for watching. I love you all.